Welcome, beautiful people, to the Word Flow Stories podcast. I'm Cesar, your host, who cannot keep a secret for more than 5 minutes.
And I'm Mia, the host who can keep secrets, unless the secret involves chocolate cake. Then I'm completely useless.
Girl, if someone offers me cake, I'll even reveal the Wi-Fi password.
I know, which is exactly why today's expression is perfect for you.
Perfect indeed, because today we're diving into the dramatic, fun, super common expression, spill the beans.
Which means to reveal a secret, to let something slip, to tell the truth.
Or, as my grandma would say, spill your guts already.
Let's be honest, everyone has that friend who says, "Can I tell you something? But don't tell anyone." And then 3 minutes later, they've already spilled the beans to the entire neighborhood.
Me. That's me. I admit it proudly.
Then this episode is basically dedicated to you.
All right, enough suspense. Let's jump into today's dialogue, The Secret Surprise.
Hey, Lena. You look extra mysterious today. What's going on?
Me? Nothing. Just thinking.
Oh no. Whenever you say you're just thinking, it means you're definitely hiding something. Come on, spill the beans. What's the secret?
I'm not hiding anything. Why do you always assume I have top secret information?
Because last time you said that, you were secretly planning a surprise party for me. And I ended up walking in on you, blowing balloons shaped like dinosaurs.
That was one time, and you weren't supposed to see the dinosaur balloons.
So there is something this time. I knew it. Your eyebrows always do that little wiggle when you're keeping a secret.
My eyebrows do not wiggle.
They do. They're wiggling right now. Okay. Seriously. Come on. I'm dying here. Spill the beans.
Fine, but you have to promise you won't freak out.
I don't freak out. I gently panic. With style.
Okay, well, I may or may not be organizing something for Friday night.
A surprise party? A secret mission? A karaoke battle? Wait, am I finally joining your underground cookie baking club?
There is no underground cookie baking club.
Then why do I always smell chocolate chips when you come back from nowhere?
Focus. Seriously. Anyway, I wasn't going to tell you yet, but since you're being dramatic, I planned a small surprise gathering for your promotion.
My promotion? Wow, that's amazing. But how did you even find out?
Your boss accidentally texted me instead of you. He wrote, "Tell Alex I said congrats." And I was like, wrong Alex?
Oh, wow. Classic. Wait, so everyone already knows except me?
Yep. Literally everyone. Even the guy at the coffee shop.
The coffee shop guy knows before I do? Unbelievable. Okay. I'm not even mad. That's actually impressive.
So, are you happy now that I spilled the beans?
Extremely. And don't worry, I'll act surprised on Friday. Though I'm not promising I won't scream dramatically.
Oh, I'm counting on it.
Listen, I want to join this underground cookie baking club right now.
Same here. And why does the coffee shop guy know everything before Alex does? He's basically the cappuccino oracle.
That dialogue has everything. Mystery, drama, secret cookies, and, of course, spill the beans.
The expression, spill the beans, means to reveal a secret, especially something you were supposed to keep quiet.
It's like you drop all the information by accident.
And it's super common in everyday English. Fun, casual, and expressive.
You use it when you want someone to tell you the secret already.
Or when someone has already told the secret and you say, well, you spilled the beans.
Examples in present, past, and future. Present. Come on, just spill the beans already. Every time I ask him something, he spills the beans instantly. Past. She totally spilled the beans about the surprise trip. He didn't mean to, but he spilled the beans during dinner. Future. One day, you're finally gonna spill the beans. If you ask nicely, she'll probably spill the beans tomorrow.
People believe spill the beans comes from ancient Greece, where people voted by placing beans inside jars.
If somebody knocked the jar over before the vote was counted, boom, secret revealed.
I imagine a guy tripping, sending beans everywhere, and everyone shouting, no, he spilled the beans.
The first accidental spoiler in human history.
At work. Don't spill the beans about the new project yet.
In the family, Grandma spilled the beans about the baby's name.
Among friends, if you spill the beans, I'm never telling you anything again.
One time, I organized a surprise for my mom. Guess who revealed it first?
Me?
I literally forgot it was a secret. Mom, you ready to 8, okay, for your surprise? Over. Gone. Ruined.
I once revealed a surprise party to the birthday person. And the worst part, I revealed it while complaining. I'm so tired. I still have to go to your surprise. Never mind.
In the secret world of people who cannot keep secrets, there exists a rare species, the compulsive bean spiller. They walk among us at birthday parties, in group chats, at family dinners, and sometimes all it takes is a simple question. What's wrong? And boom, they spill the beans!
And you listening, what's the biggest secret you've ever spilled the beans about?
Or what secret did someone reveal before the right time and completely ruined everything? Tell us.
For today's 1-minute challenge, create 2 sentences using spill the beans. One in the present, one in the past.
Send them to us. And remember, don't spill the beans unless it's worth it. I'm Cesar.
I'm Mia.
And this was the Wordflow Stories podcast. See you next time. Bye.
Bye.